Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a FLIR Raymarine Marine GPS and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues, any issues with this lagging or not responding or freezing, or if it's not connecting to what it's supposed to connect to, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set everything up again, your waypoints and all that kind of stuff will all be wiped off. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get this back to the way it was when it was new, coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that and just wipe everything off of it quite easily. All we're going to do is, with it turned on, we're just going to come down and we're going to press the menu button. And then we're going to navigate with our arrows. And we're going to go from the menu button, we're going to select the setup menu. From the setup menu, you'll select the factory reset option. And then you just simply have to toggle to the yes to confirm it. And once you click on that yes, there's no going back. It will go ahead and reset everything to its factory defaults.